people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Krystal the Gypsy, and if you're new here, I travel really anywhere in the United States, anywhere in the world, just wherever I feel like going at the time, I guess. And right now we are in Florida. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos on this trip, I'll leave those links down in the description. We are in the beautiful Florida Keys. This is my first time being here. I've never been here before. So right now we're at John Pennekamp State Park. Apparently there's like some statue of Jesus underwater. We're not doing that today. However, there are some other things that you can snorkel to, and there's like a coral reef and everything. So we're gonna see what we can kind of get into and hang out by the beach. Might even teach Ronnie how to swim. Don't know yet what's gonna happen. But let's have some fun. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and let's go enjoy the Keys. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Land of lobsters. Is there, oh, there's a lobster in there. Oh, look at him over there. He's like, get my good side. Oh, there it is. Every time I see a fish like this, it makes me think of Deuce Bigalow, Male Gigolo. And there's the other guy. He blends right in. I'm gonna see if I can find myself something cute from the Keys. Tell me you're from Florida without telling me you're from Florida. I think I like that one. A couple different cute ones. Those are cute. Oh, I thought this was kids, but I guess this is kids. It's kids and adults. Look at that.
I see a color that I like. I want to know what
I know, I want a tie-dye one. Alright, I think I found the queen size section. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. They got stuff just, and it goes back even further, like that way and over there. You do see Jess? Oh yeah, she wants to do the tarpon feeding. Oh wow. That is. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, I'm definitely getting this on video.
Let's see, who was the level one?
Do you just drop it to them? And the pelican's like, mine! Oh, I know. You gotta be careful.
Yeah, really here.
Here, honey.
Before there was no gap, and it looked like you had like a...
Everybody say bye to Carl.
Show your brother how it's done.
It's Carl the pelican.
Come on, Carl.
Probably the one that bit me.
Carl bites everybody.
Go on.
I'm not focused.
Even if they do bite you, they don't have teeth.
Daddy already told you that. They don't have teeth.
You see how my ponytail when I offered it? You gonna try it, Puppy?
Can't believe how many there are.
Carl. Carl.
Keeping an eye on
Get. Go home, Carl.
A little bit in the water.
Get down in there. They're not gonna hurt you. Look, see?
Down further, Eden.
Get in there, girl. You
Down
got
further,
this.
girl.
You got this. Show your big sisters you're so much braver. Look how brave you are. Look. Look.
So we are here at Robbies and they were feeding the tarpons. I did one, but I didn't get down in there because I didn't want Carl to bite me. I've seen too many videos. Carl! Or what is it from The Walking Dead? Coral! Coral! Ooh. This looks like it'd be fun many, many nights.
There's over $100,000 stay for 2 weeks.
Yeah, I believe it. Wow. This place is a vibe. Oh my god. Could you imagine party in here?
Yeah,
This would be awesome.
I can also see a lot of people get really, really drunk and they start to
Yeah.
We walked towards the exit.
You got motorcycles everywhere. Oh, look at that. We got more cannons over here.
Okay.
Robbies even has its own gift shop. Is this why you want a motorcycle now?
No,
Oh
I
my-
don't. It's not because of this. I want one because I've always wanted one.
Oh, okay. He's always wanted one.
Grandpa told me I can't have one until while he's alive.
Okay.
So I think I'm going through my parents.
Oh, okay.
And randomly, we rent the airplane.
Oh, I like this. All the different. I'm definitely gonna get one that says Robbies on
Be
it.
like James. Be like, have you seen James Bond where they go into a wedding and they stop a bad guy and then they jump out of the plane?
There's one on here that says a pelican ate my fish, but that did not happen to me. I did feed a tarpon though, not like that. Might get that one. Have you guys ever been here? This place is awesome. Well, we have finally made it to our hotel for the night. We are staying at a Hilton in Deerfield? No, Boca. So we're in Boca Raton. And We just got back from the Keys, exhausted, tired, but it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. Next time I plan on going way further and going all the way to Key West. So that will be next on the agenda. Let me show you the room that we've got. Well, there's even a microwave down here for all the stuff.
Put it in a bag, see?
Alright, so we just got off the elevator. We're going to room 328, which is this way. Ronnie's already down there with my chariot. So this hotel has been remodeled. I like the new color scheme. Wow. Alright. Alrighty, you got a nice little sitting room with a workstation table. Oh, there's a ceiling fan. I love ceiling fans. A kitchenette. You've got your ice box or ice bucket. There's a mini fridge right here, which we will be utilizing to put all our snacky snacks in and our drinks. Microwave. And there's the coffee maker. Nice big TV with some storage. Okay. And then you got this is kind of like a luggage stand, which is exactly what we're going to use it for, but it's like a bench. Nice mirror. Oh, there's some plugs and stuff right there. So this is like a desk area. Digital thermostat, so don't go using that wall unit. A nice big full length mirror to check the fits, you know. Oh, rack. Okay, let's turn on some lights in here. Alright guys, I'm gonna do that magic trick I did. If you haven't seen it before, I'm gonna show it to you now. Lumos. Boom! Look at that. Lights. Okay. All my Harry Potter nerds, you'll get that. Nice big king bed. Another dresser with storage. Nice big TV. Again, there's that wall unit, but remember, there's a digital thermostat. A nice big closet. Wow. Okay. Could literally fit at least, I'd say 10 or 15 bodies in there. At least. Another luggage rack, which we'll probably use both of them. A lot of hangers, although for this, not a whole lot. Laundry bag, some services that they offer. Ironing board, an iron. That's a lot of storage. A lot of storage. Now, I think I'm going to be pretty impressed with this bathroom because it's separate and it's massive. And look, glass. There is no curtain. I'm in love with it. But this bathroom is already so big. Wow, okay. I love the vanity. I love what's going on here. Looks like you've got your hair dryer. You got some towels right there. Some artwork. And then a nice mirror. You got more towels here on the wall. And then there is a view, but I think it's just the parking lot. I'm not really 100% sure. So let's go take a look at the view, shall we? Again, this is a really big room. It's a big room. All right. So you've got two types of curtains here. You've got the sheers, which this will let light in. However, you have this other one, which is the blackout. So when you want to open it up completely, oh, that was the wrong one. You got this, Krystal. There you go. I think we might just be, yeah, view of the parking lot, which is fine. I'm gonna have this closed anyways because I'm trying to sleep and not have anyone bother me. I just noticed the shape of this lamp. That's cool. It kind of looks like the facets of a crystal or like a diamond. You got end tables here with, you know, the drawers. But overall, I'm impressed with the room. I am impressed with the room. I'm not a huge fan of carpet, but I'm impressed with the room. I like the room. Now, there are some people that I have seen do hotel videos before, and they do a bed test. Oh, this bed actually feels like it might be pretty nice to sleep on. I also just noticed that lamp is white and this one is green, and it's slightly smaller than that one. They're two different sizes, but they're the same kind of shape and facet look to them. Interesting style choice. Interesting, to say the least. But that green does match the mirror that's in the bathroom, so I see how they're tying things together. So, good job, Hilton. I can dig it. And that concludes the room tour, guys. Have any of you ever been to the Keys? Where are some places to go in the Keys? Where are some places to go in South Florida? Now, I'm originally from here. However, I haven't lived in Florida, in South Florida anyways, since I was like, I don't know, since maybe like 2001-ish. And I lived in northern Florida for a couple of years in my early 20s. But South Florida, I have not been to in a long time. So leave me some comments down below and let me know some places to go. So on my next trip to the Keys, I'll know where to go. Places to eat, things to do, you know, little side road attractions and things like that. So leave those down in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!